Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains one most important topic, that is aesthetic embroidery designs. But the aesthetic embroidery designs are totally resolving or revolving around one topic, that is cup, or you can say mug embroidery designs. Different type of mug embroidery designs are being shown and shared with you, along with aesthetic nature inspired embroidery design ideas, so that are simple, easy, creative, and at the same time choosy and so attractive to make. So I would recommend you to try any of the pattern that you found attractive, eye-catchy, and easy, and share your experiences with us in the comments section, because comment section is the only way through which we get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our more new and upcoming videos. So coffee cups, coffee mugs, or tea cups, different type of stylized embroidery patterns are being shared with you in this whole video. Uh, we have tried our level best to not extend the video duration so that it must not be boring for you. A quick and a very beautiful trendy design ideas of nature inspired aesthetic embroidery cup or coffee mug embroidery patterns have been shared with you. So you can make them onto your tablecloth, onto your different type of accessories, kitchen accessory covers, onto different type of DIY creativities, and even you can also make use of them for dress designing in the format of embroidery motif for your baby girl dresses or onto your shirts, sweatshirts, or t-shirts. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.